Governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, has arrived at the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja for the hearing on alleged 110 billion naira fraud preferred against him. This was after he honored the invitation of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on Tuesday. Sahara reporters learned that the EFCC detained Yahaya Bello around 12 p.m. yesterday, and he was set to have session with investigators. The former governor was accompanied by officials of the EFCC to be arraigned before Justice Mary Ann Anei of the FCT High Court. The former governor, alongside Umar Oricha and Abdusalami Udu, are being prosecuted as first to third defendants respectively, in a fresh 110 billion naira 16-count charge instituted against them by the EFCC. The other defendants, Oricha and Udu, however, have been given administrative bail by the Commission. At the last hearing on November 14th, the EFCC had sought adjournment to today, Wednesday, November 27th, in the fresh case instituted against Bello, saying the 30-day window was still running for the summons earlier issued. Before Tuesday's development, EFCC had made two failed attempts to arrest him at his house in Abuja, and most recently at the Kogi State House in Abuja. Recall that the EFCC, on Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, asked Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court sitting in Utama, Abuja, to proceed with the trial of a former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, in absentia, arguing that his non-appearance in court for arraignment should not be allowed to frustrate his trial. However, Yahaya Bello pleaded not guilty to the 16-count charge leveled against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Nigerian activist and outspoken advocate Martins Vincent Otse, widely known as Very Dark Man, VDM, also issued a bold challenge to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, calling on them to prove their credibility. Reacting to the news of Yahaya Bello's arrest, Very Dark Man explained that a source told him that the former governor had earlier met with the EFCC chairman. While urging the commission to exonerate itself, he challenged the EFCC to also post a picture of Bello holding a placard on its site. He said, "Nigeria, don't be too excited that the EFCC is fighting corruption, because this might be a lie based on what I'm hearing now. So all this that is happening might have been an harangue, so that people will think Yahaya Bello has been arrested and the EFCC will retain their integrity by saying that they have arrested him and they are fighting corruption. I don't even believe the source. But if EFCC wants to clear their names of the allegation, they should post Yahaya Bello just the way they have been posting other people. They should give him a placard and share a picture of him holding the placard. We will continue to keep a close eye on this story for more real-time updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.